Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bharath Parasi, also Indian Travelpreneur. Today we are unboxing Apple MacBook Air M3 2024 edition, which comes with 16 GB RAM and 256 GB storage. Today I am very much excited to unbox this because I bought this for my travel agency business, which goes by the name Travel Top Vacation, which also has 18,000 followers on Instagram. I bought this powerful device to speed up my work and also improve my video editing skills. My last laptop was MSI. I had a problem of video rendering in that. It would take a lot of time to render the videos which I edited. So I think this device will solve that problem. With the MacBook Air, I also bought this USB hub because MacBook has only two Type-C ports. So we are not able to put any pen drives or HDMI cable. So that will solve this problem. And this power bank was gifted by my friend. Thanks to that friend. This is a Flex Ultra Charge P45. This can also charge the MacBook. So we are going to unbox this also. But firstly, we'll unbox the MacBook and later on we'll unbox this too. So let's get started with unboxing. Actually, I have opened this box already because I was not having trust on the courier partners. Actually, I mean, the price is so high that I wanted to be sure. So I have opened the box already in front of the delivery guy. So now we are going to open it once again. Okay. So let's get started. The Apple products are really so that premium. Like, we'll enjoy the unboxing process actually. For a MacBook is here. You can see the box. The MacBook is written here. Logo, the pricing. Okay, you can go this. And now we'll open our MacBook. Keep this aside. So, hola. This looks so nice. Let's go with this. Wow. It's so lightweight and it's so thin. So we are getting the charging cable. We'll open this later. First we'll go with the MacBook. So it comes with, wow. You can see we got two Type-C here and one audio jack. That's it. We don't have nothing. It's so thin and awesome, you can see. So let's open it now. So the feel is you can open it like this. Wow. So the laptop overall build quality is awesome actually. It has a backlight and also touch ID. I'm really in love with this laptop. It's so lightweight that I can carry anywhere. Like, I'm thinking to start travel vlogging also. So like, and I can work and also travel. Gaming experience is also awesome on this device. In the MacBook box we have got the cable for charging. So this is a big cable. The length is good actually. I need this kind of length. So we have some user manual and the Apple is not providing any stickers because something they have got a new program that to not to promote plastics. though, so they have stopped giving stickers in the MacBook. And we have got here, this is the charging adapter. It comes with type C. Yeah, yeah, that's it in the box. You don't have anything. So this was all about unboxing Apple MacBook Air M3. So now let's unbox other two products, which are one is USB hub and one is a power bank. Okay, let's unbox this USB hub. Let's close this. So this USB hub is from Contron. Okay. Okay. So this looks really premium quality, and the build quality is also awesome. You can see it. So we have got two USB ports, two Type C ports, one micro SD card and one SD card port, and one HDMI port. Okay, this was the unboxing. Now we'll go to the power bank. So this is Beatles Flex Ultra Charge P45. So let's unbox it. Okay, so it has a digital display. This is the user manual. Okay, so we have got here Type C to lightning cable, which is attachable like this. Like for traveling it is gonna help. And this comes with the Type C also, and we can charge it multi-device. So this can be for carrying purpose. See, this is so strong actually, and it has a digital display in it. Okay, yeah, this is a compact design actually. It's really good. Okay, so this was all about the unboxing video. For upcoming videos I have ordered some equipments and also the accessories for those equipments which are required for my travel business. So I will be doing unboxing videos of those also, and with that I will be uploading travel vlogs on my YouTube channel. Please do subscribe and follow me on the Instagram. The name is Indian Travelpreneur, which is my personal page, and the agency page is Travel Top Vacation. Both the links I will be given in the description. You can go and check out there, and also contact us for any inquiries related to your travel needs. If it is a visa, if it is a flight ticket, hotel booking, or if you need the whole package, you can just reach out to us and inquire us about that. We'll give you the best rates, and see you soon in upcoming videos. Subscribe and follow me and support me. See you. Bye. Take care. Namaste.